2. Organizing a vocabulary notebook. At organizing words by meaning. 1. Divide your notebook into 2. Different broad sections. 3. Words for feelings. 4. Words to describe places. 5. Words for movement. 6. Words for thinking. B. Building networks of meaning. 1. A network diagram. 2. Grow in whatever direction. C. Collocations and fixed phrases. 1. Collocations of a word. 2. Win, prize, award, medal. 3. Earn, money, a high salary. 4. Gain, time, an advantage. 5. A fixed phrase. 6. In a hurry. 7. Out of touch. 8. To and fro. 9. Now and again. D. Synonyms and antonyms. 1. Find a synonym. 2. An antonym. 3. Urban is not equal to rural. 4. Stop equals cease. E. Organizing by word class. 1. Word class of a new word. 2. Word family. 3. Produce, verb or noun. 4. Product, noun. 5. Productive, adjective. F. Stress. 1. Stress falls on. 2. A multi-syllable word. 3. Produce, verb. 4. Produce, noun. 5. Productive.